Welcome to Nexus Chain, where we dive into the deepest secrets of technology, blockchain, and the digital revolution. Today I have one question for you. What makes Bitcoin so special, so powerful that the world can't ignore it? Behind every price surge and every big Bitcoin news, there's one phenomenon that shakes the crypto world every 4 years. Its name, Bitcoin Halving. Hold your breath, because what we're about to discuss isn't just a theory, but facts that could change how we view the future of money and wealth. Imagine this, you're in a gold mine, and every time you dig, you easily find gold. But one day there's a new rule. The gold you find is suddenly split in half. Half of what you usually get. That's the essence of Bitcoin halving. But wait, what exactly is Bitcoin halving? Halving is the process where the reward that Bitcoin miners receive is cut in half every 2 to 10,000 blocks, or roughly every 4 years. In other words, Bitcoin becomes harder to get. Its supply is fixed. No inflation, no endless printing like fiat money. This is the strict law of digital scarcity. Now think about this. What happens when something becomes rarer? Supply decreases, demand increases, prices skyrocket. That's basic economics, right? But don't be mistaken, Bitcoin is not just a numbers game. It's a revolutionary technology that threatens the status quo. I know what you're thinking right now. Does this really drive up Bitcoin's price? Is this just hype from the crypto community? My answer, look at history. Every time Bitcoin halving happens, the price of Bitcoin skyrockets uncontrollably. In 2012, Bitcoin was just $12 before halving. A year later, it exploded to $1,000. In 2016, from $650, it surged to $20,000 by the end of 2017. And the last halving in 2020 took Bitcoin from $8,000 to $69,000. A coincidence? I think not. Bitcoin halving is a catalyst, a trigger that sets off huge waves in the crypto ecosystem. So what does this all mean for you? If you're an investor, you can't ignore halving. It's like a 4-year jackpot in the crypto world. Imagine buying Bitcoin right now. The price might feel high, maybe $25,000, maybe $30,000, but with supply dropping and demand increasing, history has proven that prices can explode. And it's not just for Bitcoin. Altcoins, NFTs, even the entire crypto market feels the impact of halving. This is a moment where those who know act and those who don't, they regret it. Now let me ask you, are you ready? Have you prepared yourself for the next big revolution? Because now's the time to decide. Be a bystander on the sidelines or a key player in the global financial history. Bitcoin halving isn't just a technical event. It's an invitation to join a generation that understands financial freedom is not a dream, but a reality that can be achieved. Halving is like a big wave hitting the shore. But remember, this wave doesn't just affect Bitcoin. The whole crypto ecosystem feels the ripples. When Bitcoin supply drops and its price soars, investors don't just focus on Bitcoin. They start looking for more affordable alternatives, altcoins. This is the domino effect of halving. 1. Bitcoin as a market leader. Bitcoin's price jumps, attracting media attention and new investors. 2. Altcoins get impacted. As investors search for profits outside Bitcoin, altcoins like Ethereum, Binance Coin, and others get a big boost. 3. NFTs and DeFi. With growing interest in crypto, innovative projects in the NFT and DeFi sectors also see a surge in demand. Just look at the 2020 halving. After Bitcoin's price shot up, Ethereum surged from around $200 to over $4,000 in less than a year. DeFi projects like Uniswap and Chainlink became new stars in the blockchain world. With market caps skyrocketing, the effects were like a fire burning through the crypto forest, creating big opportunities at every corner. You might think, this is just hype. But listen to what experts are saying. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, once said, "Bitcoin is the best digital asset ever created. Every halving makes the supply even scarcer. And scarcity is the key to creating long-term value." And we can't forget PlanB's words, the creator of Bitcoin's stock-to-flow model. Every time halving occurs, the supply pressure drives Bitcoin's price to levels we never imagined before. This isn't speculation, it's mathematical. Even Elon Musk, who's known for manipulating prices with his tweets, has acknowledged that Bitcoin is the future of money. While he often praises Dogecoin, he's invested billions in Bitcoin through Tesla. So if big names like these see the potential in halving, what about you? Are you going to miss this moment and just be a spectator? Or will you step forward to take part in global financial history? The next halving is predicted to occur in April 2024. You have time, but not much. The time is now, before everyone realizes what's about to happen. This is the power of Bitcoin halving. It's not just theory, it's history repeating itself. The question isn't whether you believe, but whether you're ready. If you want to continue learning about technology, blockchain, and investment opportunities in the digital age, don't forget to subscribe to Nexus Chain now. Because here we don't just talk, we prepare you for the future. This is Nexus Chain, where opportunities and courage meet. See you in the next video.